Are you tired of sacrificing style for sustainability? We've got some exciting news for you. The 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid is here, and it's about to shake up the compact crossover market. Let's take a closer look at what makes this vehicle so special, from its bold design to its impressive fuel economy. So, let's dive in. The Yaris Cross Hybrid boasts a bold and dynamic design, with a sloping roofline and a distinctive front grille. The LED headlights and taillights add a touch of sophistication, while the 17 inches alloy wheels give it a sporty flair. The overall design is sleek and modern, making it a head-turner on the road. The Yaris Cross packs a 1.5-liter inline-3 engine, paired with an electric motor, and a lithium-ion battery pack. The combined output is 116 horsepower, which may not be the most impressive, but it's more than enough for city driving and light off-roading. The Yaris Cross Hybrid also features an ECVT transmission, which provides smooth and seamless shifting. It has an estimated electric-only range of up to 30 miles, making it perfect for short trips and daily commutes. The battery pack can be charged in just 2 hours using a 230-volt charger, and it also features regenerative braking to maximize efficiency. According to Toyota, estimated fuel economy of up to 64.2 miles per gallon in the city, and 76.3 miles per gallon on the highway. The CO2 emissions are also impressively low. Inside, the Yaris Cross Hybrid is just as impressive, with a modern and feature-packed cabin. The 9 inches touchscreen display is intuitive and easy to use, and it comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The JBL Premium sound system is also available, providing crystal clear sound quality. The Yaris Hybrid has a 5-star Euro NCAP rating, thanks to its range of advanced safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. With prices starting from around $33,000, the exact pricing and release date for other markets have not been confirmed, but it's expected to be available in the US and other countries later in 2024. The Yaris Cross Hybrid features a range of innovative features, including a 360-degree camera system and a blind spot monitoring system, and with a spacious and practical interior and a range of convenience features, like a wireless charging tray and USB ports. This vehicle has everything you need to stay connected and comfortable on the go. And that's it for today's video on the 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at this exciting new vehicle. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive news. Thanks for watching.